everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I discuss part 44, how to payment insert new database record in Laravel using Eloquent model. Tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for websites related services +919941599815. This is a anytime contact. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run. This project is already run, and inside this already open. And this is my gem folder inside this htdoc directory. And this project is already run localhost laravel _12, and this is a localhost phpMyAdmin, and this is available payment table inside this implementation insert record. First of all, this file is open. This is a list file is open. Resource view super admin payment and index. Inside this is high is available. This high. Let's remove. First of all, add new button is a implementation. Add new button. First of all, this list file is open. Inside this available add new button. Let's same name is a copy. This is a new button is a copy. This button is a copy and paste here. This button copy and paste in. This is a new button is a implementation. This is a extra page is a implementation. This is a add new. Successfully available. But inside this step by step CS is a copy. Same CS is a copy and paste here. Inside this paste, and this is a start, and this last div is a close. This 3 div is a close. Successfully close and refresh this page. 100% is a working. Let's change template. This is a copy, same name, and payment is a implementation. Student remove and payment. This is a payment, same name payment. This is a payment is a set. Successfully set, all good. And inside this is a list file, and this is a include underscore message. This is a message file is included. Inside this message is available success message and error message. This message file is inside this include. Let's step by step refresh this page. 100% is a payment, and this click this payment and working fine. Let's click this add payment. And this available super admin payments and add super admin payment and add. Same name copy route web.php open, and inside this create route get paste here. Payment class this add. Save file. Let's copy this name copy, and this payment controller copy, and this payment controller is already inside this included. This is a payment controller is available app http controller, and this is a payment controller. Inside this new function is a create public function and paste here. Return view super admin dot payment dot add. Save file. Let's copy this name, and new file is a create new blade.php, and this is a hello. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is a hello is a good. This is a hello is a show good working. Let's student inside this same name copy file and remove this hello and remove this. Successfully remove and refresh this page. 100% is that this is a working fine. Let's student name is a send, and this is the implementation payment name. Successfully this is a payment name is a include. First row is available. This is a amount. This is a amount. This amount. This is text is a number. Same. This is a name is a amount, and this is enter amount. Same name is a implementation amount. Second is a payment date. This is a available payment date. This is a set payment date. Payment payment date is a set. This is address is a available here. This is a not, is a available text here. This is a not. Nots implementation. This is a payment method is a, and this is a payment date. All successfully set. This is extra. This is a not used. Let's remove. All save file and refresh this page. Good working. Amount, not, and payment date. Amount, not, and payment date. Last is a last not is a implementation. Last cut inside this cut, and last is a paste here. Save file. Working fine. Good working. And this is a all implement, but this is a payment method is a implementation. Payment method is inside. This is available. This is a teacher not available. Class inside. This is add same name copy. This is a copy, and we close this file. Inside this is a included, and this is a extra is all remove. This is a not use. This is a name is a payment method. The same name is a copy and paste here payment method. Payment, select payment method. Compulsory is a required. Less option is a one option is a value. First is a cache. This is a cache. Second is a first is a implementation cache. Second is a card. This is a card. 3 is available. Transfer. Same name is a transfer. Successfully implementation. Let's refresh this page. This is all database implementation previous video. Let's refresh this page. And this is a good working cache, card, and transfer. Inside available, but this is available student name is a compulsory is a get. This is a close, and student name is available. This click this student, and this is a name is a get. Let's same name copy student is available. Model open, model inside this available student. This is a student table, same name copy. Controller is open. Use app model and paste here. Save file. Let's copy this name. $data is equal to student get. Student get. This is a get student, and $data is a pass this $data. Inside this $data is a pass here. Let's same name copy, and inside this open, and this is a paste here. This is a paste here. Get student same name copy and paste here. Same name is available. This is a name. This is a name is a paste here inside the name, and first is a ID. This is a ID. Open this payment, and this is a name available student ID. So this is a student ID is a set, and this student name. Student name. Less extra is a, this is a not use remove, and this is a student name. This is a forest loop cut. Inside this cut, inside this forest, paste here. This is a name is a this name copy as $value END forest. This is a name is a cut, and this is a paste here $value name, and second is available same name copy, and this is a ID. Successfully named student name is a get. Let's refresh this page. 100%. This is a 1 2 3 4. All student is available. This is a student. The successfully this is a student is a get. This is a all student is available. Johan, Alex, Mehul and Vivek. Johan, Alex, Mehul and Vivek successfully available. This name, student, amount, payment date, payment method and not. This is all available. This is a inside this open. This is a payment. Inside this available student ID, amount, payment date, payment method and not. This is all available. And this is a name is a inside this include. First of all, the student ID. Second name is available amount. Third name is implementation. Payment. Fourth is available payment name method. And last is available name is a not. All good. This is a fine. Let's same here. This is a method is available. This method is a action. Action inside this method is a post is available. Let's same name method post or this same name copy. In post only inside this post set and this is a store same name copy and inside this public function paste here $request inside this is a dd $request all. Save file and refresh this page. Let's refresh this page. First of all, this Alex amount is a 5 and this date is a select. This is a card and this is a not test and submit. Successfully available. This is a student ID, amount, payment method and this is a not. All good. This is ID is a 2 number. This is all successfully get. Successfully set. Let's step by step. This is a model is available. This is a model is a previous video payment model. This table name is available payment table name. Paste here get record $request this same name request and paste here. Return redirect. This is a paste back button. Click this return redirect this name with success record successfully create and save file successfully create and the success message already included. This is a list file inside. This is already included. All good. This is successfully included. This is a fine. This is all successfully fine. Let's check this check inside this check. Okay, this is a include same name copy and get record insert get insert not a record. This same name copy get insert and this model is already included. This model payment model. Let's inside this static public function and this paste here and $request $save is equal to self means inside this available. Let's class open. This is a same name. Let's in Eloquent. This is available new self same name copy and paste here new self $save. This name is a copy is equal to trim $request this copy and paste here. Last is a copy and paste. This is all paste here. This amount is a remove, not use this amount. Save file and this is the amount. Third is available payment date. Request payment date. Last is available. This is a payment method. And this is the same here. Paste here. This is a not. $save and save. Successfully save. This open, and this is a try again, this implementation, this try again, and this is the same here, try again. This is a record is a successfully all good. Let's step by step refresh this page. This is a refresh this page. This is a blank, not available any record. Let's refresh this page, not available. Let's click this new, and first table is Alex, and this is 1500, and this date is a select 3, payment is a card, and this note is a test note. Submit. Successfully record is a create. All good. Any doubt, please contact this my official website Error Solution Code. We are held to help 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available. Inside this lost of project is available. And this is my YouTube channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's this refresh this inside this insert and refresh this page. Successfully available. Good working. This is a insert is available. This is a 2 number is a successfully sent. This is a 2 number miss elections. Let's Mehul is a 3 number. The inside this new record is a 3 number is a implementation. Amount is a 400. Date is a 9. This is a cache demo test. And submit. Successfully message is a show record is a created. And refresh this page. Inside this 3 number, and this is the amount is a first is a card. This is a successfully implementation, and this message is a 100% is a show. This is all good. Let's first of all this is a implement. This is a list file. Please step by step route. This is available. Please write down. Inside this is a 2 route is a implementation to route get and post method. Inside this included, and this inside this included, and this is a payment control. Inside this implement student, and this 2 function is a created, and this is a model, and this is last is a add file is available. This is a payment add file. Please step by step write down. This is the extra page is a not a use save file. All extra page is a remove. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.